Hello, in this video I will show you how to change alarm sound on LG G7 Fit. So you have to start with opening clock application and now click on your alarm, and here you have alarm sound option and you can click on that. Now you have to click allow and you have to choose between music and alarm tone. And if you choose alarm tone, you can choose from this list of alarm sounds and then click OK, and your alarm sound will be changed. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.